Hello, divine souls. Welcome to this sacred and safe space along your soul journey, where we have soul talks to help us all tap into the limitless, infinite potential of our soul, our divine souls. Thank you, Divine Collective, for tuning in. I hope all of you have been progressing on your soul journey, taking all your baby to big steps one by one. Now, this energetic thread is a continuation of the previous energetic thread we caught up with. Okay, this energy is beautiful. It is in alignment with the universe's plan for your growth and evolution, very, very spiritually charged. It is about an incoming soulful love in your life, something that has already entered your life or is about to enter. It has been arranged by the universe for someone as self-fulfilling as you. This energy has been so beautiful in the previous thread, and it is continuing in this thread, and as if it's becoming more and more beautiful, like getting closer and closer. This is your soul flame, which is either a twin flame or a high-level soulmate. Now, you don't have to necessarily add these labels to this connection, you know. Okay, the divine source tells me that some connections are beyond labels. You have unlocked something so great in love. The marker of a high-level connection is that it accelerates the growth of your soul, which in plain terms means that it makes you more spiritually aware and conscious. Now, this in no way means that your material pursuits or accomplishments decline. You see that things change energetically first. I have not seen a person who is spiritually very aware and active, but poor. Well, if you define that in terms of monetary gains, either that person has no interest in monetary pursuits or is satisfied with what he or she has. If a spiritually evolved person desires something material, he or she achieves it. Maybe not within self-defined time frames, but he or she eventually does achieve it in greater magnitude, far greater magnitude than he or she has ever dreamt of or desired. That's exactly how the universe rewards alignment, when one's inner frequency increases and the outer reality eventually gets synchronized with it. Now, I sense that this connection that is coming into your life or has already taken its baby steps towards your life is a very spiritually uplifting and soothing one. That's what I hear. Sometimes it may feel a little chaotic, because this connection is very mutually uplifting. I mean, you uplift each other. So automatically, when you come in contact with each other energetically, it is going to flush out the lower vibrational frequencies within your system and gradually but tremendously raise your vibration. Well, I can't help but say that this is a lucky connection, a very fortunate and lucky connection. That's how a high-level connection works, be it a twin flame or a high-level soulmate. This is so beautiful. It not only offers you that full-blown soul-soothing love, but opens up new perspectives beyond limited belief systems. The moment this catalytic change starts taking place within both your energy systems, golden opportunities start opening up in your life. Your inner child heals, your entire trajectory in life changes, for the better, for the best. Change is not easy, but the reward is so much after it is completed. Ask yourself, divine soul, ask yourself, would you like to stay in a loop or undergo the change to unlock a self that indulges in extreme spiritual and material abundance with so much wisdom? I'm sure that someone who has come as far as you would definitely choose the second one. Actually, the divine source tells me that you don't have a choice, my dear. This soul-fulfilling love connection has been gifted to you. This world of abundance is waiting for you to step into it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Embrace it. You are someone who have had to pass through so many difficulties in life. But the divine source tells me, when you don't get the rewards after so much hard work, maybe you are actually meant to take it easy. You are meant to be in your receptive mode, loving yourself and allowing yourself to be loved, allowing yourself to receive all the goodness that is meant for you. That is what is going to bring your inner and outer reality in actual sync. Your inner spiritually rich world is going to manifest a materially rich outer world, and this connection is meant to support you unconditionally in that. How beautiful. Embrace this. The lunar ritual I mentioned in my previous video is going to be of great help in readying you for this. Again, I can't help but say congratulations on unlocking this. The universe is proud of you for coming this far and has taken the lead now. Trust your worthiness, and the universe is reflecting all of it back to you. All the goodness, what you deserve, your worthiness, every bit of it. This is beautiful. Please let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel to connect more strongly with this energetic thread and support me in continuing with these energetic readings. Again, this thread feels so blissful and abundant, as if there's no lack of love, light, and luxuries in this. Congratulations on unlocking this. Embrace it. Embrace your journey towards your highest self in love and life. It's here. Your trajectory, your turning point. You are going to be so supported in love and life because, again, as I have said in my previous video, this is a soul-fulfilling love for someone so self-fulfilling as you. Congratulations, divine souls. Congratulations. Stay blessed.